Hi, we are Team Dashboard, and we intend to build an online library reservation system to optimize the student library experience and reduce the workload of administrators. To build this website, we'll use HTML to build the general framework of the website and then use CSS as a beautifying tool to render the website display. Since we cannot access the school's database, we build the website's own database to store users' data. Then users can register and log in our website and book library seats by the reservation function, which will be implemented in the future. Administrators can use their accounts to check the usage of library seats through the back end of for management purpose. So here's the HTML code for our website. We use HTML to build the general framework of the login page, and we use CSS to right here to insert an image of the background image of the website. And here's here's how it looks. And for backend parts, we use PHP. And here's the information that for us to connect to our database. And this part, we will check whether the username and password that the user has entered are correct or not. And there will be respective message shown. And here's the demonstration. Let's say if we enter an incorrect username, it will say that username does not exist. And if we leave everything blank, it will say that username or password cannot be empty. So if we enter an incorrect password, it will say that wrong username or password. So before we log in, we need to register. We can press the register button here, and we will come to our user register page. So here's the HTML code for our user register page. We also use HTML to build the general framework of the website and use CSS to insert an background image. And for the back end, we also use PHP, and they are quite similar to those in the login page, where we use information here to connect to our database. And here we are checking if the username, password, everything that the user has entered are correct. And here's how it works. Let's say if we enter a username that is already exists, it will say that username has been used. Please enter a new one. And the code right here are used for, like, in the future, if you forget your password, the code can be used to verify your identity, and you might be able to find your password. And let's say if we enter a username, enter a new username. And however, the password that we enter are different, then there will be a message says that password enter are different. And let's say if we enter our password correctly, it will say that we have successfully registered, and will be directed back to the login page for us to log in. So let's enter the username and password that we have just created and log in, and we'll be able to log in successfully. So right here is the database that we use. The library administrator will be able to access this page to perform actions like delete accounts and edit accounts. And we use mysql to build our database, where you can see all the username and user password code right here. And library administrators will be able to perform all the actions to for management works. And that's all for our milestone 1. Thanks for watching.